Said I played there before, I remember that.
Hey, what's she do? You're laughing. Are you in pain or is it tickle?
My arm hurts.
Oh, let me see. Oh. Oh. What did I do to you? You should never been talking to me like you should have.
How was I talking to you?
You should have never been talking to me like that. No,
Like what?
I'd have never beat you up.
Here, help me out.
I don't know, the way you was talking to me.
What are you talking about?
Why did you reckon to me like that? Come on.
You were going really fast, and I was not that arm. That arm hurts.
Did you hit your head?
No, gang hurts.
Ooh, that's nice.
Don't, it hurts.
Bend it.
Don't, it hurts.
Can you move your fingers? Let me see. Come on. Let me help you out. Let me see your knee. Damn. So here is the aftermath.
No, don't record me. I don't want anyone to see it.
What? Honey, do you have brakes? You know what brakes are? I guess what happened was we was coming down this path flying. And then we seen this family with these kids walking, and we was going for this path, but we need to go down this path. So I cut over in front of Erica, and her front tire ran into my back tire.
That's because you went straight and then you turned. I didn't know you were going to go this way all of a sudden.
I'm sorry, baby. Give me a kiss. Let me see your boo-boo.
What boo-boo?
Your
I
boo-boo.
don't got a boo-boo.
Oh, look at that.
It's not even the scrape that hurts. I feel like I hurt, like, my bone.
Your bone?
Yeah.
Blech. You know what? It must be this red shirt.
Were you wearing that too?
You know what? I was actually thinking about wearing that other shirt that I had an accident in. We was flying though. I know what it was. Is we flew by that one guy and he goes, I hope they wreck. That's what happened, didn't it?
I don't know.
That's probably what happened. Is your knee okay?
Yeah.
A little strawberry. That ain't too bad.
I landed on my arm.
Where does it hurt at? Point.
Right here, on my elbow.
Well, it's because it's bloody.
No, the blood doesn't hurt, it just my bone hurts.
Well, you gonna be able to make it back?
Yeah, I can make it back. I have to.
Well, there's restrooms. And we need to go to the restroom and you can wash it off.
Did you see me fall or did you just hear it?
I know, I just heard it. I was like, fuck. I wasn't keep going.
You were gonna keep going?
No, I wasn't gonna keep going. No. No, not at all. Meanie.
Cry. Like immediately, you just cry.
I don't think I've ever seen a girl fall that hard and just laugh. She's taking it like a mate.